In a world often divided by differences, there exists a profound teaching within Islam that transcends boundaries and fosters unity. Ukhuwah Insaniyah, the brotherhood of humanity. Derived from the Arabic word for brotherhood, it reminds us of our shared humanity, irrespective of religion, ethnicity, race, or creed. It advocates for compassion, understanding, and empathy towards all individuals, regardless of their backgrounds. As we celebrate Hari Raya 2024, let's remember the essence of Ukhuwah Insaniyah. Let us reach out to one another with kindness, respect, and goodwill. By cultivating a sense of unity and solidarity, we can pave the way towards a brighter, more inclusive future for all. Acreativealt wishes you Selamat Hari Raya 2024.